Welcome to the kitchen of complexity, where every penny counts and financial clarity determines success. Today, we're diving into the heated debate that keeps restaurant owners awake: cash or accrual accounting? Imagine your restaurant as a living system with a financial backbone running through it. This choice isn't just about bookkeeping, it's the difference between thriving and barely surviving in an industry where margins are thinner than your finest pasta. Let's get cooking on understanding the foundation that determines your restaurant's future. Here's the hook. Have you ever felt that weird moment where your reports say you're doing great, but your bank account reads zero? That's the cash versus accrual reality check. In an industry with razor thin margins and perishable inventory that literally rots by the hour, the question of when money counts is urgent. This isn't just about recording numbers, it's about survival. Does profitable mean you have cash today or that you've earned it for tomorrow? Let's bridge the gap between simple tracking and true financial health. The truth is, regular business accounting is like using a pizza recipe for molecular gastronomy. It just doesn't fit. Restaurants are unique chaos machines. You have fluctuating customer demand that shifts like seasonal menus, complex sales tax structures, and labor costs that spike unpredictably. Traditional one-size-fits-all methods often leave owners flying blind. Without the right lens, your financial view stays foggy, making it impossible to see if a busy night actually resulted in a profit after all the bills are considered. Let's use a simple framework. Think of accounting methods as two different lenses. Cash basis accounting is the home cooking approach. It records transactions only when money actually changes hands. It's simple and matches your bank balance. On the other side is accrual accounting, the five-star chef's methodology. It recognizes revenue when earned and expenses when incurred, regardless of when cash moves. This introduces accounts payable and receivable, concepts that show you what you're owed and what you owe, providing a much deeper level of detail. The findings reveal a gut punch. Cash accounting gives you brutal clarity on today's liquidity, but it can hide tomorrow's disasters. It's excellent for small operations needing a daily snapshot of the bank account and offers tax timing advantages since you pay based on cash received. However, it creates a funhouse mirror effect with seasonality. One month looks like a feast because you haven't paid the vendors yet, and the next looks like a famine when the bills hit. It's clear for today, but fuzzy for performance. Accrual accounting is your growth partner. Our research shows it provides remarkable long-term forecasting accuracy because it matches expenses to the revenue they help generate. This is what investors, lenders, and banks want to see. It reveals the complete financial recipe: all ingredients, all bills, all debt. The trade-off? High complexity. You might look profitable on paper while the bank account is low because cash hasn't arrived yet. It demands professional expertise, but unlocks the door to expansion and multi-location success. The resolution isn't about which is better, it's about which is right for you right now. If you're a small, independent restaurant, embrace the simplicity of cash accounting for daily control. But if you have aspirations for growth or more locations, start your transition to accrual early to avoid a painful financial engine seize later. Regardless of your choice, the secret weapon is a well-organized chart of accounts. Think of it as the bedrock filing system that keeps your data categorized and consistent, making your evolution from small cafe to restaurant empire seamless. Let's bring it all together. Pick the lens that matches where your restaurant is headed, not just where it is today. Analyze your next 12 months. Are you staying steady or seeking funding? Match your method to that goal and maintain a clean map of your accounts. When your accounting and operations align, the numbers stop arguing with your bank account and you can lead with clarity. Connect with Forks for the experienced accounting professionals your restaurant needs. Details in description below.